Hello. Today, my teammate and me are going to tell you about Alexa. Alexa is a Python bot that opens sites, plays music, and tells the time. Now I'm passing it on to my teammate Ananya for demonstration.
Today I'm going to show you the demonstration for our Alexa. This is the guide to how to use Alexa.
Good morning. I am Alexa. Please tell me how may I help you.
I'm going to press 8 to talk with Alexa. Open Google. So it opened Google. YouTube Ronaldo. Now it has opened YouTube. So it just captured the letter R. So this is how our Alexa works.
We learned how to use the Wikipedia module in Python 3, and we also learned how to overcome the problems that were stated there.